Okay, hey y'all, it's me, Sarah. I know I look like a big crust ball, but I promise you I'm gonna look better in the other videos. But y'all, I'm filming on my new camera, but that's not the point. This video is going to be how to ship orders. Like, how do you print out the orders? How do you do, the whole shebang? Like, how do you actually print orders and stuff? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. This is just a quick little intro. I hope you guys like the video. Comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this, like more tutorials on how to actually do business things. But yeah, I'm sorry y'all, I keep touching my hair. I need to put it up, honestly. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it's more like informational, because I know when I first started, I was very much confused on how to actually do all that stuff. So yeah, peace. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, let's get on to the video. Okay, so hey guys, it's me, Sarah. So I'm gonna show you guys, how to what do you do when you receive an order. So I had to cover up all the orders. So this is how many orders I have. I have about like 25 orders to fulfill. I just, I'm just showing their names. I'm not even going to show like the pricing or nothing. So yeah, everyone most likely has the same name, so I'm not really violating, their privacy and stuff. But I'm not going to show you guys how much they spent or whatever, or what their address is. But here's an example on, this is what your store is going to look like. You're going to click the orders tab right here at the bottom where it says orders. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto a second party app, which is called Pirate Ship. Pirate Ship is an app I use because I don't like using the Shopify method on shipping out orders, only because Pirate Ship is much cheaper for my customers, and also it is also helpful for me and easier for me, because when you use the Shopify store exactly, what they're gonna do is they're gonna like you're able to purchase a label, but the money is not going to be taken out of your account until the end of the month. So imagine you shipped out 200 orders, right? You shipped out 200 orders, and then by the end of January 30th, that's when they decide to take all the shipping money costs out. So you could be paying up to $1,000 just to ship 200 orders out, or even more. And then it makes it feel like you're losing out on money. Like, what just happened? Like, I could have sworn I paid for all that. So I just like having my money taken out right away. So yeah, but this is what it's gonna look like, your screen and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my laptop. I'm on my iPad, but yeah, I just thought to show you guys this first part, which is, this is what your order list is gonna look like. It's gonna show everybody's name and stuff. We have a couple of people that have been ordering for me for a long time. I've always seen your name, girl, Barbara. I've always seen your name. Let's see if I can recognize other people. I only see Barbara that I recognize. Oh, I remember. Yes, Miss LaQuenta. I think that's how you pronounce your name. But yeah. So just for the safety of everybody that has been, placed an order, I'm covering their addresses and the cost they spent on, well, for my privacy, the cost they spent on my store. So yeah. Okay, so now we're on my laptop. So this is what it looks like. It will show everything on the side. It will show like what channel they shopped on, which is, it could be online store, it could be shop. Some people shop on the shop app, because what Shopify does, it tries to like branch out to other like apps. So yeah, we have about 25 orders to fulfill, so let's get to it. So I'm gonna use my thermal printer, and I'm gonna hook it up to my iMac. So this is what the thermal printer core looks like, and since I have a updated version of, I have an updated version of the MacBook. That's what it's called. It's called MacBook. I have to put on this attachment. So yeah, sadly, I'm gonna turn on my thermal printer. So this is what my thermal printer looks like. I know it looks very ugly because I put this Apple sticker, but y'all do not mind. So I'm gonna turn it on. So I turned it on. Cool. So it's on because it has a blue light. Y'all can't really see that, but it has a blue light and stuff. And this is what, y'all, if you need an in-depth like office tour, I already have it uploaded. And that's the paper, the thermal printer paper. I got those for free. I could do a tutorial on that if you guys would like me to. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Safari. We're gonna go into Safari. Make sure you guys have the Pirate Ship. So make sure you have the Pirate Ship app already downloaded onto your computer on the App Store on Shopify. If you don't know how to do that, I could do a video on that as well. But make sure you have the Pirate Ship app already downloaded. So because I do not use Shopify, I'm gonna click on, you could click on up here for Shopify, for Pirate Ship. You could click up here, it says import from Shopify, and make sure everything's connected. If it's not connected, it's not gonna work. So you can click up here, you're gonna click on the sides where it says import as well, but I'm just gonna click up here. So we got 7 labels. So on the side right here, it's gonna say 7 labels. It's gonna say get rates for 7 labels. So you're gonna click on that. And this is the interesting part. I'm not trying to show my address unless you order from me, but I'm not trying to show my address on, YouTube. So I'm gonna click don't use save package because I already have everything pre-saved. I need to update the names and stuff. Oh my goodness, but I already have everything updated and pre-saved. So, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just do it for y'all. So it says type of packaging. You can click here. Mine is an envelope because I use bubble mailers. So mine's an envelope, so I would click that. But we're not gonna fill that out because I already have it filled. And you're gonna put the package dimensions and inches. I know this sounds confusing, but y'all, honestly, I don't think the post office even cares. They only care about the weight because that's, that's actually the cost of how much it weighs and how much to ship out. So I don't think they actually care because I don't even type in, my box inches and stuff, because sometimes I don't use bubble mailers all the time. They only care about the weight, like how much it costs, like how much the weight is. But since I only sell things in ounces because I don't have heavy things unless they order like 100 things, I'm gonna type in the ounce. The ounce is 4.5, around 4.6, but I already have everything saved. So we got 4.5 here. And then here's a button that says get rates. I could take this off now. Here's a button that says get rates. You're gonna click on that button, get rates, and it's gonna load. It's just loading. So then it's gonna say first class package. That's the cheapest. It's gonna show you the cheapest shipping to do, or you could switch to UPS, but I'm not gonna do that. So this is the cost of how much I need to pay for 7 packages, but you already paid for that. My shipping cost is $4.50 because sometimes, right? Sometimes, you see how it says $4.17? Sometimes it depends like how much the package weighs and where does it go. But yeah, just to cover your, the end of the deal. So yeah, so I can choose different shipping rates, but I'm gonna go with the cheapest. This one's 2 to 4 days. That means it takes 2 to 4 days for their package to arrive, but most likely for all my customers, it always arrives in 3 days once I ship it out. So I'm gonna cost is $29, and now I'm gonna buy a label. Right, we're gonna buy it. We're gonna wait some more, do 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 do. Okay, so now, yeah, just making sure I'm not showing nobody address because baby. So now this is how much we paid in total for the shipping cost. So I can refund the labels if I want to, but we're gonna click print for MacBook. So if you don't have a MacBook, I don't really know what else to show y'all, but we're gonna click on file, on print. So everything's already pre-done. See the printer, we could switch my printer, but we're on the printer that it's always been on. The settings are always the same. We're gonna do one copy, we're not doing two of the same copies. We're doing all the pages, and the printing size, paper size is 4 by 6, right? Everything looks good. So now I'm gonna click where it says print. So everything is printed out, and that's how you print out the labels. That's how you print out the labels. So